Greetings, shivering denizens. Hello, hello. Welcome to today's journey into healing and connection. This meditation invites you to release burdens from past and embrace a renewed sense of belonging. Whether you're seeking peace or a fresh start, this practice is for everyone. Find a quiet space, breathe deeply, and let's begin. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Settle into a position that feels steady and at ease. If it feels right, close your eyes or simply soften your gaze to turn inward. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise. And exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Notice your breath flowing naturally, like a gentle tide. Allow it to anchor you in this moment. You are present, you are calm, and you have no need to force anything. Just breathe, feeling yourself here and now. Imagine a quiet riverbank within you. A place where your heart feels still. This river represents your inner peace, ready to flow freely when unblocked. As you breathe in, see the water clear and calm. As you breathe out, let any heavy emotions such as regret or emotions such as guilt or fear, just drift away like leaves on the surface. Reflect on a moment when a kind gesture or honest conversation lifted your spirit. Maybe it was a time you forgave or were forgiven. Maybe it was a time when you simply felt understood. Let that memory remind you of the healing power of connection. How this connection restores balance within you. Picture yourself standing by this river, holding a small, smooth stone. This stone represents a past moment you wish to heal. A misunderstanding, a harsh word, maybe a missed opportunity. As you place the stone gently into the river, see it sink, releasing its weight without causing harm. Feel your spirit lighten with this act of letting go. With each breath, place another stone into the river. Inhale, drawing in the courage to heal and reconnect. And exhale, releasing any lingering burdens. The river flows smoothly, carrying away the weight while leaving your peace intact. Envision someone you care about standing across the river. They don't need to speak. Their presence is simply enough. Imagine building a small bridge toward them. A bridge of kindness, understanding, or simply being present. As you step onto this bridge, feel the strength of connection, knowing your actions can heal without harm. As you cross the bridge, see the riverbank bloom with soft light. It's a sign of the peace that comes from mending ties. This light spreads to others around you, reflecting the shared journey of healing. With each breath, feel your heart open, ready to belong to this moment and to this world. Know that this river of peace is always within you. Each act of kindness, each moment of release, keep it flowing. You carry this serenity wherever you go, a quiet strength to both heal and to connect. Take another deep breath. Inhale gratitude for your ability to mend and to grow. Exhale an intention to carry this peace into your day. Stay where you are, calm and present, while we move to the reflection. The September 6th reflection from the Big Book, page 59, focuses on step 9, particularly the clause, except when to do so would injure them or others, highlighting its role in restoring a sense of belonging and serenity and recovery. For me, this step feels like a bridge back to the world, pushing me to step beyond the comfort of AA meetings and engage with others on their terms. This can be daunting, as it requires vulnerability and accountability, but it's essential for reintegrating into everyday life. Step 9 also addresses threats to sobriety by encouraging the healing of past relationships through amends. clearing away emotional wreckage that could harm recovery. By making amends thoughtfully, avoiding harm to others, I find a path to a more peaceful sobriety, reconnecting not just with people, but with a sense of place in the broader world. Thank you for joining me today, and keep coming back.